Knee climb from pike. All right, you're going to spread your fabric apart and you're going to lift and pike as you hook those knees from the inside of the fabric. Lift above the knees, straighten the legs, bring them inside of the fabric, and repeat. Pike, hook, reach. Now you are really seriously trying to get those knees, those knee pits, hooking on those fabrics. You're hooking so tight with those knees that you can really feel it. You might get bruises from this. You might get sore underneath your knees. Let's do that again. All right, so we're going to pike. You're going to find that knee pit and hook really tight. As you lift above your knees, straighten the legs, bring them in the center. Pike, wrap, reach. Now if you want to practice getting that knee hook, you can try laying down on the ground with your fabric, putting the fabric in your knee pits, and trying to hang there. Alright guys, good luck. If you would like to see more tutorials, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel today.